Kermet stretches along the Vyasa River, which is one of the last wild rivers in Europe. Its waters flow free, among canyons and waterfalls without dams or barriers. The town center preserves a calm atmosphere, with tree-lined squares, low facades, and rural rhythms. Just outside, the Ottoman bridge of Katiu crosses the river and leads to the natural hot springs of Benja. Hot water pools emerge from rock in a landscape that alternates stone, steam, and relaxation.